Get unready with me, botched Barbie edition. First, I'm gonna take off these lashes. I literally don't even know where to start. I'm gonna try and start peeling off this liquid latex. Oh my god. What is going on? Ow. Okay guys, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. Oh my god, why does it kind of look like bacon? Now I'm gonna just try and start wiping things and see what comes off. I just spilled makeup remover all over me. Are you kidding? Love that for me. I look great. I'm gonna go wash the remnants off of my face. Now I'm back to my natural state. Take off my makeup with me, zombie edition. Let's get rid of these contacts. There's one, there's two. Okay, here we go. That looks good. All right, gotta get this one off the forehead. I'm in pain. Love that for me. Let's get this spicy little number off my neck. My cheek looks so chunky. I don't know if this is ever coming off.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. This little beauty's been falling off since I put it on, pretty much. This should be easy. There's still latex on my neck, of course. Yeah! This side, however, is on there pretty good. Let's just start from the top and maybe make it drop. Just kidding, that's for later. The reason I'm talking so much is because I don't want to take this off, because it's gonna be painful. Okay, just one quick motion. Nah, it just rips the paper. We're like halfway done. I surprise myself sometimes. Okay, one last one. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. I hope your pain is amusing. I did not say that right. I hope my pain is amusing to you. There we go, Valeria. Second time is the charm. That's also not the saying. Our favorite nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now.
I literally look like I just got a pie thrown in my face, but today I'm going to be wiping on my makeup, but not actually wiping on my makeup. I'm going to be wiping on my makeup in reverse because y'all love to see these videos. Y'all always tell me to post more of these videos. So here I am, you know, wiping on my makeup in reverse. Look at this right here, throwing on some eyelashes in reverse. If that is not impressive and if that will not get me on the For You page, I don't know what will. And check this out, y'all. We're wiping sprinkles onto the face. Oh, that's a close angle. Wiping sprinkles onto the face. The contacts are in. And wow. Headband, completed look. Enjoy.
Oh, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, yes, it is time to take this off again. I honestly had a lot of fun with this look, and I'm a little bit sad to be taking it off. This tongue is way too heavy, so I'm gonna take it off first. Oh. Wait, watch this. I can't even properly smile with the latex on my face. So let's take it off. Okay, ready? Didn't feel that. And of course, how can I leave you without any nightmare fuel? Okay, but can we get a nice satisfying stripe here? I think yes. Okay, one more, then I'm gonna shower. I took a shower and my nose is slightly stained, but other than that, I am all clean now.
Do you know how long it took me to do this? 3 hours. You know how long I've had it on? 5 minutes, and I am about to wipe it off. I mean, I went upstairs and showed my dad, but he's watching football, so he doesn't care. But I mean, you guys care, right? I mean, hopefully you guys care. I'm using my Makeup Melt by Vike Beauty. Use code Sydney for 20% off. Here we go. I'm getting face paint and glitter in my eyes. I can't see. I mean, the makeup's coming off, but my eyebrows are not coming back. I see you winding and grinding. I'm gonna go wash my face. Okay, that's all. Thanks for coming. I will never understand why you guys blow up the videos of me taking off my makeup in reverse. Like, I don't even know why I bother making videos of me putting on the makeup at this point. Honestly, I should just put it on, leave it there for 2 seconds, and then wipe it off and throw it in reverse.
Alright, you guys. I'm so sorry for that jump scare. But yes, it is time to take this off again. I can't open my mouth, or talk, or breathe, and I can't feel my face. It's lovely, I know. And here we go. Okay, I'm not doing that again. I'm not doing that. I'm just trying to get our lips. Oh, bottom lip is free. If I keep moving my face, I'm gonna get really scared. Okay. How do I don't know. Oh, okay. Watch this. I just don't want to stretch it too much. I want it to come off in one piece. Oh no, it has my hair. It's fine, maybe I need to do it fast. Oh, it's fine, I didn't need hair anyways. Okay, we're basically there. This. And you can see the hairs that got ripped out. It feels so good to feel my skin.
Get unready with me, Rainbow Special Effects Edition? Let's see. Gotta get the forehead. Cute! I'm gonna take some makeup melt. And we're gonna rub that in. Now I'm taking my makeup towel. Thanks for watching!
Hey there, you little freaks. Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. Yeah. I can finally talk and I can drink some water and I am so happy and I've never been this happy before. So cute. I really hope I don't break out tomorrow because damn, that was a lot of latex on my face. While I had that on, 3 people managed to call me and I was not able to pick up the phone because I wasn't able to talk. This feels so good. Also, this is kind of random, but I dyed my eyebrows. So like, I can wake up and just go on about my day with my eyebrows being done. Like, what? But anyways, thank you guys for watching and I hope you have an amazing day today.
Take off my makeup with me, handsome Squidward edition. Alright, I'm gonna start with the bald cap. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this chin off without remover. Part of it. Oh my god, that hurts so bad. I used some Spirit gum remover. I can't. I literally can't. My skin is literally burning. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go shower. The time has come to take this off. But where do we start, you may ask? Well, let's take these fins out that I bobby pinned to my wig and this crown. Remove these beautiful, luscious blue locks. Oh my. Believe it or not, my eyes are not actually yellow. Let's take these out. I'm about to be Spain without the S. Let's do that again. Oh my god. My cheeks are actually throbbing. Let's see what this does. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me. Shadow Man edition. It glows in the dark if anybody was wondering. This took me hours. I need to get my hair out of the way for this one. Use code Sydney for 20% off. This is depressing. I'm depressed. All that work. For what? To make a couple 15-second TikToks? Look at that. I'm gonna go shower and get the glue out of my eyebrows. Take off my makeup with me, 1 million followers edition. I'm gonna take off these gems. Oh my gosh. I'm getting emotional. Stop, stop, stop. This is a comedy channel. Ah! Oh my god. Stuck, stuck. Well, thank you guys so much for always following and supporting. It literally means the world to me. And I mean it, like I literally would not be where I am today without you guys. And now I'm gonna take off my makeup. Next time, it'll be a 2. Let's try not to blind myself today with glitter. Ooh. I like actually can't get these bottom eyelashes off. I'm just gonna go shower. Thank you again so much. The time has come to take this off. But where do we start, you may ask? Well, let's take these fins out that I bobby pinned to my wig and this crown. Remove these beautiful luscious blue locks. Oh my. Believe it or not, my eyes are not actually yellow. Let's take these out. I'm about to be Spain without the S. Let's do that again. Oh my god. My cheeks are actually throbbing. Let's see what this does. I'm gonna go shower. Get unready with me, Christmas tree edition. I take the star out of my hair. Gotta take these ornaments off. Watch this. We're gonna try using these. Oh. It smells like so many chemicals in here. The most painful for last. Get these lashes off. Thanks for watching.
Here I am thinking my whole life I gotta be clever to get on the For You page, when in reality all I had to do was take one of my videos and throw it in reverse. Why are my moves so much cooler in reverse? Why did nobody tell me this? I feel like the Wave Gang's been lying to me for ages.
It is time to take this makeup off. Let's get these contacts out. Okay, great. Love that. Ow. I heard that if you use tape, that glitter comes off easier, so I'm gonna test that out. Okay. That literally got all of it off. Like before and after. I'm gonna do this side too. Getting the forehead. I think that's pretty good, so now I'm gonna start wiping it off with my makeup towel. Get the lips. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I look rough, but y'all already knew that. And today I'm going to be wiping on my makeup. But not actually wiping on my makeup, because that's not possible. But I am wiping on my makeup in reverse. Because you all told me the girls will give me 100,000 likes if I did it. So here it is, TikTok. Please put me on the For You page. Like, come on, TikTok. I am begging you. Take off my makeup with me, Cancer edition. Let's get these contacts out. Let's get rid of this Cancer sign. Let's get this moon. Let's say goodbye to Mr. Krabs. My face is really red. Can we get this white off of my eyeball? I have so much glitter in my mouth right now. I really don't want this to go in my eye. I don't know what to do. We love a blue hairline. I'm gonna go shower.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I can't talk. There we go, that's a little better. And now, I know I already did a miraculous makeup in the past, but I just had to make a scary one. I also know that her hair isn't black and it's blue, but I don't own a blue wig. Look at that, I got little scratches from Cat Noir, and it's like the mask is carved. You know what I'm talking about. I'm proud of this look. And now we gotta take it off. I only really use latex for the mask, so let's find an edge. Ooh. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Now, you see, if I was smart, I would remove the contacts before taking the rest of this off, but I'm too lazy and my hands are dirty. Ready for the sad part? Oh no. Nightmare fuel? My phone's at 3%, but let's try to get a satisfying stripe. Oh yeah, there we go. That took forever to wash off, but I am finally clean. And you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. This look here was inspired by My Little Pony, and this is if Twilight Sparkles was, well, scary. I'm gonna start by taking off the wig, because it's kind of sticking to everything now. Now let's do this cute little ear. I think I got some of my baby hairs, guys. Now let's take off this monstrosity, and it's all very sticky. I love using clay, but oh my god, it does not feel good. One single lash, and how can I leave you without the nightmare fuel? I don't even know why I do scary makeup anymore. Like, I can just smear paint on my face and put contacts in and I already look terrifying. I'm just gonna go shower. I'm back from the shower and I'm all clean now. I thought the paint was gonna stain my skin, but it really didn't. And you guys have an amazing day. Hey there, little freaks. You know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. I'm pretty proud of this one. Like, this is one of the my most favorite looks. I know what I'm saying. I can't talk, but I know what I'm saying. I will stop talking so you guys can enjoy the quality ASMR. Lovely. A lot of you guys are recreating my looks and I love it. It's amazing. I love it when you tag me in your videos. But I rip latex off of my skin because my skin is numb. If it hurts to take off, please use warm water and oil. I will soon be posting a tutorial for that look. And have a great day, you guys.
Take off my makeup with me, Orbeez edition. All the Orbeez are already sliding off. Don't ask me why I did this because I don't really have a good reason. I just like Orbeez. Okay, here we go. Let's get the nose up. Ooh, this feels so weird. Oh, it's in my mouth. My face really do be shiny though. It's literally in my ear. I wish I just had an Orby face all the time. Okay, let's get this side. Ooh. It's down my neck too. Okay, well, now I have Orbeez everywhere and my face is really sticky, but thanks for watching. Follow for more.